Jason Kumotion built Kindred Compass for his mother. Before she passed away, she struggled with every new device he gave her, feeling deeply embarrassed despite being a brilliant woman. Her frustration came from everyday design choices. Search boxes were hidden in odd corners of the screen. Buttons looked like decorations instead of something you could press. The interfaces always assumed you already knew exactly what you were doing. It wasn't an issue of intelligence. She was trying to learn a language that Silicon Valley wrote specifically for someone 30 years younger. Good technology should anticipate that confusion. It should offer a clear path forward and make a person feel capable, rather than less than. That is exactly why Kindred Compass GPT exists. It was built from the ground up, specifically to serve older adults. This artificial intelligence companion is designed to explain things in plain English. It anticipates your next questions, and it operates with a deep respect for how you learn, never rushing or judging you. By doing this, it acts as a bridge across the tech industry's empathy gap and focuses on the user's dignity. Getting started is simple. There is no software to purchase, no hidden fees, and you do not need to download any complicated apps. Look at what you need: an internet connection, a smart device, and a free ChatGPT account. To get that account, open your web browser and type chatgpt.com. Click Sign Up, enter your email, and click the link they send to verify. The site might ask for a phone number for extra security, but that step is optional. You can skip it if you prefer. Once you're signed in, look for a menu option that says Explore GPTs, or type the direct Kindred Compass link into your address bar to open the tool. Passing through this 2-minute setup provides a safe, judgment-free digital companion that is always available. You'll see a simple message box at the bottom of your screen. Starting the conversation is as easy as typing, "Hi, I'm new here." The AI easily handles digital safety. If you receive a chaotic, jargon-heavy email that looks like a scam, ask the AI about it. It will give you a clean, plain language translation explaining exactly why it is unsafe to open. It also helps with everyday frustrations. If your grandchild sent you a photo and you can't figure out how to find it again, you can just ask for step-by-step directions to retrieve it. You can even use it for personal well-being, like requesting a memory game to remember names, or asking for tips on how to get a better night's sleep. Because it is an AI, you can ask the exact same question as many times as you need. It never gets tired and it never gets annoyed. If an answer feels too complicated, you have the power to advocate for yourself. You just type, "Can you explain that in simpler terms?" and it will adjust immediately. Kindred Compass functions as a tireless friend, moving at your speed and adapting to your needs in real time. You've mastered difficult skills through trial and error. You learn to cook, navigate cities, and drive a car down a complex, winding road. Encountering moments of confusion while learning a new technology is completely normal. It has nothing to do with your intelligence or your capability. When you feel stuck, you have a safety net. You can step back, ask the AI to rephrase its instructions, and try the action again slowly. You are not too old and you are not too slow. The technology industry simply failed to build tools with you in mind until now. Jason built this knowing his mother would never get to use it. He wanted to ensure that other people finally received the patience and respect she deserved. Start your first conversation whenever you are ready. There is no rush and there is no judgment.